Yeah, good morning, everyone. Uh, so yesterday we saw some uptick in US market after some corrections in earlier few days or last week. Uh, uh, Whereas Asian markets are mixed, we are seeing decline in Hong Kong and China market, but the other markets are quite positive. This is seen as against dollar index move up sharply by almost around 50 basis point as compared to last yesterday same time. So generally, whenever the dollar index move up, the emerging market decline. But today we are not seeing that. So that is a bit can be considered as a positive, considering that market is feeling that dollar index is peaking out. So even commodities are also more of a flattish, not seen any decline over there. Uh, Oil, though no doubt, is up by almost around $1.5, considering escalation in geopolitical tension between Ukraine and Russia. But oil, apart from oil, aluminum, copper, iron ore, all are flat today morning as compared to yesterday equity market closing, and steel is down by around 0.5%. So seems more of a stable day, or may see some uptick also in today's trade, as we had seen yesterday sharp corrections. So there could be some possibility of bounce back in today's trade. I'll request technical team to take up from here.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Good morning, all of you. Yesterday we saw some pressure in market, but today we expect some bounce back rally. Nifty trading below the 200 DMA and last two trading session closed below that level. So we closely watch that closing. If Nifty managed to sustain the 23,500 and above range, then we expect further up move towards 200 DMF, 23,580 and 23,600 and upside. Downside major support place around 23,200 and below that we expect further sell off come towards 23,000 and below 22 to 700 and downside. But today we expect positive open and witness some range bound moment and intraday. Bank Nifty also trading above the 200 DMA. Yesterday we saw that Bank Nifty take a support the 200 DMA. So we closely watch Bank Nifty also, and upside first immediate resistance place around to 50,740 and 600 and upside. And downside first immediate support place around 50,000 and below that 49,740 is a major support zone for Bank Nifty. So both index today we expect some bounce back and range bound in upper range. Do we expect positive open in Nifty and Bank Nifty also? Stock specific LTTS looks positive and LKM also looks positive at current level. We already given a call in LTTS also, LKM also. And Loris level also looks positive at current level above 488. We expect Loris trading towards 510, 520 in upside. Downside 480 is a major support for Loris Lab. Elkem also trading the above the breakout level last few trading session. To we expect this momentum to be continued towards 5870 and downside 5500 is a major support zone for Elkem. That's it for technical dairy to get in.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning, everyone. So on the derivatives, the front, as we witnessed that, as I said yesterday, also the 23,300 will act as an important support zone for the market, where we are seeing that put additions also being added strongly for the coming week of trading sessions. While if we look at yesterday's session also, Nifty was completely hovering near the 23,300 level in the first and second half, and it is giving a sharp pullback from that supportive zone. But on the upside, still we are seeing that 23,800 will act as immediate resistance zone. Till the time Nifty is not managing to give close about 23,800 level, till that point of time, we might witness some range one momentum in the market. In today's first half of trading session, we expect market to come near 23,550 to 600 level, and after that we might again witness some sell off from that range. So once market opens and once the stability gets to stability takes place, after that new long can be created towards the 23,600 level with the support of 23,300. Once Nifty gives close below 23,300 level, then on the next round of selling will be witnessed in the market. Oh, as for the stock and sectoral specific counter that looks positive in today's session will be LTIM looks so positive. One of the counter is Alchem. In Alchem, we have seen that the short covering took place strongly in yesterday's session. Almost 1.4% of OI got added on, and almost around 4.5% change took place from the short to short covering of Alchem. So long can be created in Alchem Labs. Another counter that looks positive will be MGL Coromandel. These three counter looks positive. While on the negative front, Adani Enterprise, Adani Port, IGL, and Aisha Motor looks negative. So that's it from Value to Fund. Thank you.
Good morning. Emphasis has been selected as a digital partner for MoneyGram F1 team. It's a multi-year technology-driven partnership for the companies, wherein emphasis would be providing analytics, cybersecurity, and AI-related solutions for the Formula One team. So that's positive for emphasis. Secondly, just a business update on TCS. Our institutional department held a conference with the investor relations team of TCS participating. So TCS believes that discretionary spendings is likely to return in the large US banking players post the rate cuts, as these players are looking at some large technology driven modernization programs. Both in UK and Europe banks are likely to see some recovery over the next couple of quarters. In the manufacturing vertical, TCS saw some labor issues and supply chain issues in the second quarter of FY25. And healthcare is likely to come back in the third quarter and show some growth for them in the fourth quarter. So overall, Q3 is going to be a seasonally weak quarter for all the IT firms, and furloughs are expected to be similar as they were last year for TCS. And but we believe that TCS can deliver sustainable earnings growth and steady margins in the coming quarters, and one can buy the stock for some decent returns in a year's time frame. Thank you.
Hello everyone. A company by the name of Enviro Infra Engineer Limited will be opening for its IPO today. The issue size will be at a lower end 140 and at the upper end 148. The issue size is 650 crore at the higher end. The company was established in 2009, and the company specializes in designing, construction, operation, and maintenance of water and water waste treatment plants and water supply system across India. The company focuses on turnkey projects for municipal and industrial sector, participating in tenders from state government and urban local bodies. The company has a robust in-house team of 180 engineers and external consultants and has completed 28 projects in the past 7 years, showcasing its capability in handling and diverse regional needs. The water and water waste treatment industry presents a significant growth opportunity driven by urbanization and increasing regulatory requirements. Companies like Inverno Infra are strategically positioned to capitalize on these trends. Notably, the company has outperformed its peers in several key financial metrics, including EBITDA margins, which came at 23%, and ROCE, which came at 33%, compared to its industry average of 16% and 25% respectively. As of now, the company boasts a robust order book value of 1,900 crore. Additionally, its price to earning ratio stands at 24 times, which is lower than its industry average, making it more attractive investment option. Thus, we recommend to subscribe to the IPO. Thank you.
Yeah, apart from this, today there is an OFS of Protein e-governance technology. It's already listed, and you know that the company is into various e-governance activities like issuance of PAN card, also in managing the pension scheme for the government and other people. And also they are one of the key driver of ONDC, which is gaining momentum at current point of time. It's an offer for sale by NSE Investment. So they are offering almost their entire holding of 20%, and the floor price is 1550. So what we see that the outlook for protein is positive from a long-term perspective, considering that the opportunity growing in pension, and also uh, there is a inbuilt there is a possibility of a large value unlocking because of ONDC uh, platform which company has built. No doubt that platform is a non-profit making organization into non-profit making organization. But somewhere we feel that the company will be getting some fee from the effort which they are putting into the ONDC. So that fee can grow substantially once as the platform is growing very fast. So outlook on protein is positive. So one can use this offer for sale to accumulate this stock. That's all from us. And I'll request commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. So in today's session, gold and silver prices are expected to open gap up. Prices in gold are expected to test 77 200, 77 500 on upside. So buying on dips is recommended. Um, in silver, one can buy around 90,200 with a stop loss of 89,200. On upside, 91 500, 92,000 is the level where we are expecting to book profits. And in crude oil, one can initiate buy. Prices are expected to test 6,000 to 6,050 on upside. So buying around 59.30 with a stop loss of 58 to 50 is recommended. Also, natural gas, one can initiate a buy with a stop loss of 270. And on upside, again, 287 to 93 is the level where one should book profits. In metals, copper prices are expected to test 821, 820, whereby one can buy with a stop loss of 815. A pullback again till 827, 830 is expected. And in zinc, one can initiate a buy around 279 with a strict stop loss of 277. We are witnessing upside resistance at 281, 281.50. So one can book profit around these levels. And in aluminum also, we are witnessing a consolidation from 243 to 247. So buying in this range is recommended. A cautiousness below 243. And that's all from us. Thank you very much.